Friends, this is the second part of our ongoing handwriting series. In this video, I have decided to help you learn how to write cursive. This video will demonstrate the lowercase letters only, and in the next video, I'll be coming back with the capital letters. So let's start. For easy understanding, I have divided the entire process into 3 different steps, and I call them step 1, step 2, and step 3. You can also call them tick step, shape step, as well as tick again step. These 3 steps are the very important steps which will complete all the letters systematically. Just let me start. I'm sure you'll fall in love with this amazing trick. Friends, see, here's the outline of all the 3 steps that I have told you just now. Just watch the steps closely. And this is the final step, that is third step. You see how does it work? You can see this is step 1, step 2, and this is step 3. Dear friend, in this video we'll learn how all these steps work. So dear friend, this is the secret of the writing that you have seen at the beginning. And here I am to tell you the secret, the method of writing this beautiful handwriting. Just stay with me till the end of the video. I hope then we'll learn the complete method of writing cursive. So let's see how this 3-step method works. Dear friend, you see step 1 includes only tick mark. And that's why I told you that step 1 is called as tick step. Yes, my dear friend. See, this is the second step. And this is the third and final step, which completes the letter, which gives a complete shape to the letter that we are going to write. As I told you that step 1 is called as tick step. And hence, my dear friend, in this step we'll see only tick mark. So please watch the video very closely and try to learn the secret of this 3-step easy method of writing cursive. So see, step 1 tick mark, that means we have to draw only tick mark. I hope you are also doing. This is step 1. Step 2 says shape of the letter that you are going to write. And you can see how this, you just draw a tick and add a 0. Tick, add a 0. Tick, add a 0. Now let me show you the third step. This is the third step, my dear friend. Tick, shape, and then tick again. And that's why I have named this step as tick again step. You can see. So now let's see the steps in letter B. You see friends, the step 1 are the same. Now let's see the steps 2 in letter B. Friends, if we see the second step in letter B, we'll find that this is the second step in B. You just start with a tick, take it upside, then brought it down, and you just make a shape of B. Okay, this is the second step. See, my dear friend, To do the third step, you have to complete the second step. So you see, then first I'll complete the second step over here, second step, and second step, and finally there is third step. There is third step. There is third step. Okay. You see, this is letter B. This is B, and this is the final step, my dear friend. This is a very simple step and very easy to learn. I hope then you have understood the secret. You have understood the trick of writing this beautiful cursive handwriting. Now you see the second step in letter C. First you tick and you come like this. Tick and you make a shape. Give a tick, make a shape. Give a tick, make a shape. Friends, so this is the way that we'll complete our step 2. So as I told you, I'm also repeating. As I told you earlier, now once again I'm repeating this. That at first you have to draw a tick and you have to make a shape. And in this way, my dear friend, will complete this letter. So now see how does this tick method works. You see, in the third step we'll complete the letter. So in this way we'll complete all the letters, my dear friend. This is really a very easy as well as very amazing process of writing cursive. I hope one who practices this method will learn cursive only in an hour. And D is really different from other letters. That's why you have to follow the trick carefully so that you can understand the real and the original method. So as I told you that first of all you have to draw a tick. So please draw a tick. And you make a shape of D like this. You make a shape of D. You go upward, come downward and stop here. So tick, make a shape, go upward, come downward and stop. Tick, make a shape, go up, come down, stop. So you can see that I have completed the second step of D. Now I'll move to the third step. Where is the step? And this is really the final step. Because this step, my dear friend, completes the letter. So this is very important that we do this very carefully. You see, this is the complete method of D. So now you can see that while we using this 3-step method and write our letters, they really become different from the original writings. And they look much better than the original style of writing. That's why, my dear friend, I request you, please do practice this method. Don't scare it. This is really a very, very simple method. Even the student of class 1, they can do it very easily. So I hope you can also do this. Friends, this is the way that you will write E. First of all, you have to give a tick. So you see, I have drawn a tick. So tick, tick, as we did in step 1. Then in the second step, as I told you that you have to draw the shape. So since you're writing E, so you'll make a shape of E like this. See, watch very closely, you will understand this. This is very simple and easy. You can see that I have completed both the first as well as the second step. Now I'll move to the third step. The phrase third step will include, first of all you have to draw the complete second step like this, and then in third step we'll just then take it upward. See, this is complete E. Yes, dear friend, this is the way that you need to follow to complete this cursive writing. So I hope that you have understood the secret. Now you can see that I have completed step 1. Now let me show the second step for F. You see, so first tick, then upward, come down and meet. Now This is the third step. Now we are doing letter G. You please see very closely. First of all, we'll draw a tick mark. Then we'll draw a shape of G. Go down. Okay, tick, shape, and down. Now friends, so now I will complete a G. So letter G, as I told you, first tick and then shape of the letter. You see. Dear friend, in third step you will see that this shape will ultimately become a perfect G. You just wait and you observe me. You see. See. Now you can see that I have completed G.